Hello student, compare acidity of acetic acid, butyramine, phenol and thiophenol. These are the four compounds is given, and you have to rank. Most acidic is ranking 1 and least acidic is ranking 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we will say that this acetic acid is more acidic as compared to rest of others, because in this acetic acid, after losing H positive, it forms carboxylate ion, in which carboxylate ion is resonance stabilized. This negative charge dispersed between two oxygen atoms. See, double bond here and here negative charge, up and down I will say. And now here up oxygen is having negative and lower one is having double bond. So it is coming like this and this. Okay, this type of movement will be there. So now it is oxygen is double bonded with carbon, and here oxygen is having negative charge. Okay, this is going on. So this is negative charge dispersed between two oxygen. So this is called resonance hybrid, and that is why it is having higher acidity, because this is highly resonance stabilized and easily cleaved H positive. So first member is acidic, this acetic acid, and then thiophenol is more acidic. Here thiophenol is resonance stabilized just like phenol, and here since sulfur is bigger in size, that is why it will stabilize this negative charge more capably, and that is why it is more acidic as compared to phenol. Means first ranking is acetic acid and second rank is thiophenol. Third is going with phenol. Phenol is also resonance stabilized, more acidic as compared to 1-butene. So but thiophenol is more acidic than phenol, and butyramine is the least acidic among these four, because this carbon is less electronegative, carry negative charge. So this is ranking 4. Least negative means ranking 4. So ranking 1 is first, then ranking here 2, ranking 3, and then ranking 4. So this is most acidic, topper one, most acidic, it is topper one, and least acidic is fourth one. Here I will tell you about this. See, this is structure. 5 resonating structures for phenol, okay, and 5 same resonating structure for thiophenol anions. This is after losing H positive, this anion is obtained. After losing H positive, this anion is obtained. Structure is just identical to each other, only here oxygen, here sulfur, rest others are all 5 resonating structures, here and here both. Okay, and here see oxygen is more having this electron, benzene ring is electron withdraw electron from oxygen oxide ion, so it will be positive this electron coming here, so oxygen carbon double bond will be there, and here 1, 2, 3 structure is having oxygen double bond, and then this delocalization of pi electron takes place. So oxygen and carbon is